Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. Seen? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Yes, sir. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and share, like, and make it help grow the movements. You know, see, one person in my comment section asked me, what's my opinion on Mr. Handsome scene and the recent revelation. I have an opinion on Mr. Handsome. I have an opinion on Jamaica at large and Jamaican people, you know. And the opinion is, it's irritatingly disappointing to see the surprise reactions and, you know, allegations after all of that revelation, because I was not really expecting it, but it's not something because I want to see certain things with certain people. Then again, I don't think the young man was that underage, criminally underage, as far as it could be considered as probably some level of, I don't know, but I don't think it's criminal to the whole thing. Fact is, two of them are to probably acceptable age. I'm not sure. Seen, but because the act is over the age of consent, I'm sure, in Jamaica, but because there wasn't any actual act, you can't really put it down for say, well, then, an assault and abuse of such. You can't characterize it like that. You can characterize it as grooming the most. Seen, but again, it's still shocking to me to see how surprised Jamaican people were regarding this revelation in Rasta. You know, that the boy, they're a funky boy from a long time, man. After years ago, said the man they walk up and down in a frack and just up and push on fake body on himself and fake breasts and walk and the film in a public like a transvestite. You know, see, so he has proven his character time and time ago. You know, see, it's just surprising to see that Jamaican would really sit there and still think that this man was something else other than who is revealed himself to be in a most recent time. You understand me? And again, I say a whole heap of vlogger and people come on the thing who say are Jamaican brought up and raised in the culture as well. Come on the thing on social media talk how much them get email and when them look. Mr. King Levan say it. I don't condemn King Levan and burn him. I'm a general, I'm a virgin. I love everything where him the same way. You know, see, I mean also see Unstoppable TV do it. Oh, them get email and when them open it and look at this, them see and Mr. Handsome. Whoa, now look on them sort of thing for Rasta. Oh, somebody will send me an email and not tell me why. You know, see, anybody send them email to me, get blocked from the platform, you know, Rasta. Any child molestation, any sort of them nastiness, the Rasta. Block from the platform, yeah, straight. You know, see it? You can't send them things that come in my email box, man. You say me a Rasta man, I'm a Jamaican, as a matter of fact, a Rasta man. You send them things that come in my email box, man. I'm going to send back a bullet through the email, come give you Rasta. You can't try them things, man. You can't violate my sanctity, them way the Rasta. You're mad. You're mad. You must be an evil one, Rasta. You must be a perpetrator of the same agenda. Where I try black gens. You know, see, so you trust panel in the work for see a stereotypical reaction. You know, see, well, you go and get it, Rasta. You would have definitely get it. And for the man, them will look on it and not shame in themselves and still feel like say something that them can come back and talk about. Say, oh, somebody send me the email. You don't have no frowns on the people that sending them nasty email in your inbox. You come talk about somebody send me the email and me look. That mean you want basically say, and you go research and I look up in a man backside. Eh? And I come give a description of how the whole thing look. Why we can't take a mirror and look up in your own Rasta? You don't have one. Everybody have one. Not no strange this up. For you say a man show him backside. And the after just gonna say, well, if a man show him backside, where the eye them go and research and I do them in such a with such extensive where the eye them I think Rasta, where the eye them I pray and come back here and talk about it like saying innocent and disgusted with Mr. Handsome. Mr. Handsome is known for all of them things a long time. Or when it never come out and never go public and in partner them and nobody where him involved, we never choose to talk about it like that. But we know say that the man they gear from man in Rasta. What? You need gear glasses or gear there. You don't need not even gear ears. For no say Mr. Handsome funky like that. You see, for you look on him, all along me know say if me all think him was a sickhead funky guy. Me know him funky, but me also think him sick in his head as well. You see, because then again, me look and me see him sister have a sickness the same way, a head problem with me, I say it could be hereditary. Whichever. You see, and him a walk around under control. You see, but it's not a surprise to me. It's not a surprise to me, and it shouldn't be a surprise to any normal, rational thinking Jamaican Rasta. What I'm doing. No, sir. It don't take a rocket scientist for work that out. Say them guy there is the way there. Aya. You see, you know want nobody to tell you that Rasta. You come like so one of them day, you know, if a man here say Shibada get caught in a certain compromising position. People who come and this come ask me feel say true, or me feel say Shibada really gay. What are them people here, Rasta? How kind of joke business that, man? This shouldn't be no surprise to nobody. You see, and the fact remain, the guy where I talked to on the phone or in the text of another person there expose all of the business work on. And somebody else on the outside who have some indictive feelings in regards to Mr. Handsome. Probably some bad business will go on and somebody feels to them decide for, you know, out him and all of them things. All of them things them in you know. Yeah, and you're off of the man table all along, and now when you don't have a disagreement at this time and you decide so well then it is right for reveal to the public say this guy was that way all along. You know see, and you walk down with a tail in the sky big and proud, see me and nobody now look on you now realize that the whole of you and your man lick off of the same plate all along. And you did know, and I like say you never know either. You know all along. You see, and I know you decide to come say, you know, breaking news. How can I hear that thing that Jamaican people are going Rasta? A selectivism that again, you know, get up. Monks and I run enough run with a guy where I come expose, claim, say I expose them. You don't need a guy if you expose them thing that on Rasta about character like them there. Me general, me agree and me understand so right I know if a man come out come say I like, me see. You have certain man in a society. I don't want to call a name for Carter's person and create now. See, but you have some man in a society where when you look on them type of man there, you never dare imagine or see any form of inkling or indication say the man there is of any sort of, you know, homosexual persuasion. You see, now when them people secretly leak now say them man there are homosexual, at them time they know you're shocked and show surprise. And them think they can say, and they move so like him you know, Because you have street man in your man up on corner with people and walk with gun and kill people at night time and all them things that you know we are staunch gay man in a Rasta. You see, but him just, you know, him closet same way, nobody don't know. So when them man they come out now at them time, they don't act surprised Rasta and act like so well then, you know, or something where, you know, yeah, you can't go on like so well then, Mr. Handsome. Nah man, this would have surprised me if me and him did sleep with animal. It would have surprised me if me and him did have a wife and children. And that them thing that have surprised me. Because I just definitely know say he might live in the cupboard all along and continue to live in the cupboard and even fake a certain, you know what I say, thing. Because them boy, they look like them definitely just want to. I mean, they prove that over and over, the man, and man skip them and things like that, not be a transvestite and act like woman, some big old tough barking market woman. Him go on like Rasta. You see, and when him do it, him try change the voice, make it look like so well, then him try sound like, no, him make you know say him a man, well love this, so want be this, and I him this. You know see, I'm not surprised, Rasta. You know see, I'm not surprised. See, what I'm surprised about is Jamaica's reaction towards the whole thing. It's fake. None of you shouldn't be surprised. You see, and for me, there, in my stupidity, I really think say Jamaicans was really surprised regarding that issue. I'm not gonna really diminish yours or my intelligence with that low-level thinking. I would rather stop here and think that every Jamaican know that Mr. Handsome is that way inclined from the beginning of the foundation of him introduction to the public sphere. You know see, me no want look so small or so low upon Jamaica. Nothing wrong with that. Most Jamaicans go on like say them want act ignorant of the fact right now because what? You know, I support him and they behind him all along and now him come out and people expose him like that. You know, I say, oh, we never know. We don't know all along. We don't know all along, Rasta. Don't stop going and say, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. You know, see it. I saw them thing they go. When just don't come now, come act conceited and make the rest of the whole thing look stupid. Like, you know, you never blind, Rasta. Even if you're blind, you can't hear. If you can't hear, you can't see. And the whole thing, you know, see, you don't need now. It shouldn't be, even if you never have a confirmed, or John made up my opinion regarding the thing. It still shouldn't be a shock. Because them action, their attitude, they shaky, Rasta. You know, see, them action and attitude, they shaky. So, I am the one who is surprised, and I'm surprised that the Jamaican public reaction than the revelation. See? Say that is a reality. You know, see? So, don't get it twisted. And I don't want to feel like when I fool much people when I act surprised and shocked. You know, see, nobody in the world now get tricked. Everybody I look upon you as being hypocritical. You know, see, both with no feelings and, you know. So, I saw them think they were more surprised at the people, them, the vlogger them and so-called media people them who research the picture them and come detailed what them seeing. Nobody don't want to know why not that Rasta. Nobody don't want to know for pick and choose of me. My brethren, I just star. Make a little post this morning on him YouTube thing, you know, so silence is fit into something, you know, and everything deserve a reaction, you know, Rasta. You know, see. And when the eye them gone, that no one gone look on things and come back for come give a reaction on them things. You come like say that them lazy Rasta. How much work out there we're relevant to poor people and more beneficial to the race, to the country. You know, see, to society and a whole, even the society where you remember the general public. You know, see, how comes, you know, try to find out, do some research in that area there and try to benefit. The masses here come with clownism and gimmick in such a responsible profession as journalism. You know, see, you know, come talk out inside a man. Backside, look at a man like that as well. You know, see, Mr. Handsome, there's no way I'm going to use our film picture as a thumbnail. You know, see, because him too ugly Rasta. You know, see, can't use them character there. The way the man carry himself. The man carry himself like a direct deviant man. You know, see, like a sexual pervert. You know, see, you don't need glasses to see that. What I'm surprised about is it took Jamaica, it took this long for it come public. See, again, me never look fit come public neither, because in my mind that a public knowledge Rasta. You see, the character of the guy himself show him is. You know, I never dwell upon them guy much longer neither, but that was also answer that one question there, and where my shock and disgust lie within this whole affair. My shock and disgust lie with the people who act like they are surprised of this revelation, and also the reporters and the media representatives them who are exploring, examining the picture them and come back and discuss and outline vividly what's in them. You see, me know one of them. That's why if you want to see one of them, take a little simple mirror where you have, man, and go cock up on your bathroom ledge and look under your ass, and you see, look between your leg and you see the same thing where the guy have. I sure, one thing, you don't need fair walk with. I eat that thing that a nastiness that. Everybody will eat. I've seen these things happen time and time after, you know. When more little deviant exposure go on at the medium and things like that, some picture reveal and things like that, and every man I run with them and I talk about them. Oh, yo, this all the hell you have the stomach. If you oppose the practice so much, how you find time, rationale, and stomach for a slung. And I look upon them and I observe them in detail so much that you can come back, come give all shades. You can come back, come tell the shades, size, and all them nastiness there. Eh? And then someone who is not a part of the same game and not enjoy the same taste. I fool and I check poor people for. You know, see, you don't need for us, not strange this to be realistic and fair. You know, see, everybody know what I want to say. Everybody have a body. You know, see, if you come to discuss body and don't go like you want to use Mr. Handsome little agenda as a pivot or a segue for your sick twisted taste. You know, see, we're not stupid. We're not idiot around here, man. Change up on the folly ground, man, and fix up the whole thing, man. You know, see, yes, I. Share, like, and subscribe in a Rastafari.